CorpBiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit. You're watching CorpBiz. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the topic Fire Department NOC. During our discussion, first of all, we'll cover the topic that what is the Fire Department NOC, for whom it's mandatory to obtain a Fire Department NOC, what are the documents that is needed to be submitted when you are going to obtain the Fire Department NOC, what is the whole registration procedure, what is the validity period, and we'll also discuss about the renewal procedure. So let's begin the video. Fire Department NOC. So first let me tell you what is a NOC. NOC means non-objectional certificate. It's a legal certificate that is issued by any agency, organization or by the government in certain cases. If we talk about the Fire Department NOC, then it is issued by the fire service of the concerned state for verifying and checking the entire building resistance against fire, means the building is fireproof, for whom Fire Department NOC is mandatory. Multi-story building of more than 15 meters of height, it's compulsory for them to get NOC from the fire department. So fire department issues the NOC after checking and verifying the commercial or residential where the building is situated of an applicant, and the guidelines vary from state to state, and also the Department of Fire doesn't charge any fees for issuing the NOC. The need for obtaining fire license. Fire NOC ensure the safety precautions are in place for safeguarding the people against the hazard in the premises or in the building. So a fire NOC is important if you are applying for the trade in the concerned state or you are applying for the trade or business in India respectively. Documents required for Fire Department NOC. So now it's time to discuss about the documents that is important at the time of submission when you are going to obtain the Fire Department NOC, which are as follows. Copy of building plan layout issued by the building authority, including site plan, layout plan, analysis report, etc. Building model, certified checklist of the building by an architect, copy of Aadhaar and PAN card of the applicant, photograph of full building clicked from outside, and a certificate by the recognized authority verifying the electric wiring and its quality. Procedure to obtain Fire Department NOC. So now it's time to discuss about the registration procedure for obtaining the Fire Department NOC. The Fire Department NOC can be obtained in two modes. One is online, another is offline. If we talk about the offline mode, then the applicant has to fill the physical form and forward it to the Chief Fire Officer. Now let's talk about the online form. Means on online basis, the applicant has to file the application form and fill all the requisite detail, attach all the important documents and forward this to the Chief Fire Officer. The Chief Fire Officer will inspect and forward the same application to the inspector of the concerned state. The inspector will after that visit the area for the inspection and the premises for the fire safety, that all the equipment are installed for fire safety or not. If everything goes well, the NOC will be issued for the same. Validity of Fire Department NOC. The Fire Department NOC, once issued, is valid for the 5 years for the residential, and for the commercial purpose it's valid for 3 years from the date of the issue. Renewal of NOC certificate. If business owner fails to apply for the renewal procedure, then fine will be charged. If delayed for 7 days, then no charge, but if delayed from 7 to 15 days, then the charge will be fined of 5 rupees per day, and if delayed after 15 days, then the fine will be charged of rupees 15 per day. So this was all for the Fire Department NOC. We'll connect soon with more informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.